In this video, you'll learn how to open a case on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to report issues with your purchases effectively. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the purchase history section. This area displays all the items you've recently bought on the platform. Look for the specific order related to the issue you want to report. Click on the item to access the detailed order page, which contains important information regarding your transaction. Reviewing these details is essential for confirming the problem before you proceed. Next, on the order details page, locate and select the option labeled Report a Problem. eBay will present you with several reasons for reporting an issue, including options such as item not received or item not as described. Choose the option that best corresponds to your situation. It's important to provide clear and concise details explaining the nature of the problem with the order. If applicable, you may also upload supporting photos to strengthen your case. Completing this form officially opens a case for your issue. After you submit the report, the seller will be notified of the case and will have a designated period to respond. If the issue is not resolved directly with the seller, eBay may intervene to review the case. During this time, you can track the progress of your case in the Resolution Center. It is crucial to follow any instructions provided throughout this process to ensure a smooth resolution. The outcome of the case may result in a refund or a replacement, depending on the specifics of your situation. Continuously monitoring the case allows you to stay informed and ensures that the issue is being addressed appropriately. Keep an eye on any updates or additional requests from eBay or the seller. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.